to talk a little bit about my why, I think it was more about the purpose and vision of Halo itself, which is kind of like community and having a purpose of your own, and giving back was something that has been with me, and I know all of us do a little bit of giving back in our own way. And to add to that, I think I've also spoken a little with Kelly and Monica about this, and we have some exciting things coming in the future, probably within Halo itself. So that was kind of my why about community and supporting each other and supporting other amazing, skilled, talented women. It's been an honor, and I'm really grateful that this whole thing worked out nice. And I love Sparty. I have the Spring Sparty, and I love the Spring Sparty. It's my staple now after every shower. So, yep, that's pretty much. And thank you so much, Kelly and Monica, once again.
Well, you just melted my heart with that. And I wanted to let you know, I had ordered this Rocketbook selection, and I'm not a big fan of it, but it's got all this project manager stuff that I know you'll love, and this pen can connect it.
Oh my God.
Got an app, and you can plan your life out, and it's a really nice gift. It's not a brand new one. I opened it and used it, and somehow I thought it was maybe gonna read my thoughts and put it into sections for me. So I think for someone like you, this will be perfect. And for the rest, I'll get this to you in the mail, so send me your address. And Monica has one, so she can teach you all about it. She loves it. I said, I just need a blank page. I don't need all these boxes. And for everybody else to know, Ash is going to be working with Monica and I on our Purpose Oath channel. So helping us really live every day like we want to, which is making sure that everything we do is with purpose. So thank you so much. You're just, you really made my day in that moment, and was such a sweet surprise that I definitely wanted to share that with everyone. So thank you, dear.